Kulang. Hindi na po kayo nakapag-reply. Ayan na si ate, oh. Hindi na po kayo nakapag-reply. Ay, sorry po. Wait. Si ate, hindi na po kayo nakapag-reply. Replyan kita. Sungit ka eh. Bukas na lang ate, sorry. Wala ako sa mood ngayon. Ano yan? Ba't siya naghahaha? Naghahaha siya! Wait. Ba't? Wait, tumaw. Ba't po kayo tumawa? Ginagawa na itong... Gusto nyo makita? Ginagawa na itong ano? Akala niya ata nag-i-scam ako eh. Scamin kita eh. Ginagawa na itong seller na to. Lakas ng loob na ito. Wait lang. Ano ba pag ano dito? Ay, Ginoo. Wait. Oh my god, I'm getting Tito vibes. I don't know how to move the cam back. Flip the camera. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Yan. Ha 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 ha. Tapos sabi ko, ba't po kayo tumatawa? I mean, ha 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 ha. Ba't po kayo tumatawa? O diba, it doesn't make any sense. Ba't siya tatawa? Ano siya? Wait. Nagawa niya ito. Nag-left niya siya eh. Chat ko nga ito. Tigil ako dito. Cute mo, sobra. Wait lang. Petty ako ngayon, boss. Sorry na, boss, ha? Sorry ako magpapakilala. Nakakatawa naman si Ate May. Diyos ko. Nagawa na ito. Gigil mo. Kala niya ito mag-i-scope ko. Ate naman, pwede ko naman triplihin yun ate. Bang sila, ba't sa ano? Baka i-post ka. Okay lang, i-post niya ako. Wala naman akong sinabing magpapaano ako. Magbibili ako. Sabi ko lang naman nakahanap yung isa ko. Just an excuse. Kasi tinatamad ako bumili kasi hindi siya marunong makipag-usap. Kasi 'di ba, guys, pag seller ka, kailangan approachable yung dating mo sa sa customer mo. Di ba? Ano na yun? Parang bare minimum na yun. Bakit naman ganun? Tapos yung trato niya pa sa akin, scammer agad. Diyos ko. Bruh. Really? May trust issues na. I know. Pero, yeah. Kahit naman may trust issues yung seller, known as seller, you should be open to everyone else. Hindi naman iisa lang yung taong binebentahan mo eh. Kailangan aware siya. Pero anyways, guys, okay lang. Maliit na bagay lang naman. Kasi ate lang talaga kasi, oh my god, lobat na yung ilaw ko. Low battery. Low battery. Salamat sa hugs, Ray. Sakong-sakong kailangan ko yun. Anong binibili mo, G? Ano lang yun? Ano yung Type-C to USB? Kalat. Mas magkakaroon ng trust issues dito. Mahal-mahal ng binibenta niya. Ay. Wala. Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang ilaw. Wala na, lobat na yung isa kong ilaw. Gusto niya ata sabihin ko ano. That sinabi ko na lang sa kanya. Sorry po ate, tinatamad po ako ngayon. Ganun dapat. Actually, yung internet ko ngayon, parang ano pa rin siya, nag-spike. Ewan ko sa concave. Ay, nag-spike yung net nila. I-search ko nga. Concave. Ayun, outage. Yes. 3 days ago. Tigaan Partido area. Internet connection. Dito. Anyways. Energy can speak English. Okay, I'll try. My English is not. My English now is curve because my brain is also curve and the seller is also zigzag. Yes. It's already 9:13 p.m. Yes, salamat sa apoy. Yes, zigzags pare. You know the zigzags pare. It's the isaw. It's the small intestine of chicken or the pig, and it is known as the delicious delicacy here in the Philippines because we grill that small intestine. We call it isaw, or if in the pig it's chicharon bulaklak, guys. Ano ba yun? Isaw ba yun ng baboy? Tama ba? Kasi di ako masyado kumakain ng chicharon bulaklak. Tama. Wait lang. RNG, wait. Pre-cable ba need mo? Ano lang siya, female na Type-C and then USB na male. Yun lang para sa camera ko. Pero huwag niyo na problemahin sa akin na yun. Problema ko na yun, guys. I got it. Salamat. British era area. Ano ka seller? Bang, salamat sa rosas. Mhm. Mhm. Yung madilim dito na, orang madilim na ako. Ha? Coral? What do you mean? What do you mean someone sent me a coral? Really? Totoo? Si Jay. Oh, okay. Jay, salamat sa the coral and the jellyfish with that coral. This is the coral. This is the jellyfish now. It's my friend now. No. Tumutunog siya. Ba't hindi ko naman dito? Tumutunog to. Ay! 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 Ingay! Can you give me a nickname? What do you mean? Like, you as you? Or something that you want me to give you a nickname? Ang dilim tuloy, yung labi ko tuloy nagmukhang namukhang siko yung labi ko. Ay, Ginoo. Bro. Yan, nagsilbing ilaw. Eat na, Lods. Salamat, Lods. Yung kakain din ako na ito. Ano yung nickname you want? Key? Ray, salamat sa seminary world. Tawagin kitang Yek. Key. Yek. Yek. Just reverse the name of your name. Nix. Salamat, boss. Yek. Yes, it's Yek. You're Yek now. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my sailor till the very end? Let me show you USB Type C. With a type with ha 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 ha, type na niya. Let's go guys, hashtag seller pare, sabi yan sa ano. Magda na yung 30 na. Kailangan ko na kumain. Alam niyo ba guys yung ano? Quinoa rice. Quinoa. Pakinggan ko kung ano yung pagka-pronounce niya. Quinoa team, salamat nagbabaga ka. Quinoa rice. Pronunciation. Quinoa daw. Quinoa? Ah! Quinoa! Quinoa. Okay. Quinoa. Yeah. Akala ko pagka-pronounce niya, ha ha ha. Yan, tama, Ella. Tama yung tinype mo. Bakit bet mo nun? Ano siya, masarap siya pag kasama sa ano, kasama sa sisig. Sisig seller. I mean, sisig na ano, chicken na maraming sili. Ba't kayo tumatawa? Ba't kayo tumatawa? Ano ba yan? Nakikita ko na naman si ate. Huwag kayo mag-type ng ha ha ha. Tama. Beng, salamat sa rosas. I love you so much. Hihihi na lang. Pwede yun. Uy, cute. The duck. Wait lang. Hanap ako ng duck. Gawin kong ano. Salamat, Nix. Duck. Ano ba kasi tawag sa mga ano, yung libro na parang Jack and Jill went up the hill and then there was some more. Ano yung mga tawag sa mga librong yan? Rhyming words. Storybook. Parang ganun siya eh. Nursery rhymes. Pare, ano ba yan? G is not... Saan siya na? Kasi seller yung nasa isip ko ngayon eh. Nursery rhymes. Duck. Quack, quack, quack. But only little ducks came back. Mother said, quack, 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 quack. But the 3 little ducks came back. Yo, that's what I'm saying. I'm Arj. Ano yun? Yung pangalan ko nakalimutan. Guys, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ko. Ay, si Rapshish. Yes, I'm Rapshish. Welcome to my live. I am the rapper of the year. Wait. Let me read some lyrics here. Bro, is brightness wala dito. Goosey gander, whither shall I wander? Upstairs and downstairs and in my lady's chamber. Yes, there I met an old man who wouldn't say his prayers. So I took him by his left leg and threw him down to the stair. Yes, sir. Goose gander, where shall I wander? Ups, bumalik. Ito na lang, boss. Alright, thank you so much for the fire. I appreciate it, man. I'm spitting some bars here. Little Miss Muffet sat on the tuffet, eating her bread and jam. Along came a spider while she was drinking her cider, and she ran away and her shoes fell off. Damn, that was so bars. Damn. Wait, isa pa. Let me do it one more, pare. Little Miss Muffet sat on the tuffet, eating her bread and a jam. Along with us came a spider while he's drinking his cider and sell it to the seller. Boom! Panis! Hindi ko kinaya, sobrang lakas, grabe. The best. Salamat. Ray, salamat sa apoy. Thank you for the fire, dude. Noun, stuffed spider shoes. Okay. Pussycat. Pussycat, where have you been? I've been down to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, what did you... Ano daw? What did you there? Wrong Grahams. Sino nagsulat nito? Anyways, I frightened the little mouse under her chair. Wait lang, my glasses is not working, bro. It's not Rapsh. It's giving RG vibes, seller vibes. This is the Rapsh. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, pare. Let me some bars, pare. Wait. Solomon Grundy born on the... kailangan may... Solomon Grundy born on Monday. Grundy kasi, tas Monday. Ano yun? Di siya rhyme, bruh. Kristen on Tuesday, married on Wednesday, took ill on Thursday, grew worse on Friday, died on that is so sad. Worried on Sunday, that was the end of Solomon Grundy. Oh, salamat. Thank you so much. Yes, why are you... Guys, come on. I'm trying to spit some bars here. Eto na, pinakamalupit na rap. It's the ultimate rap. Yo, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar. No, papa. Telling lies? Yo, no, papa. Open your mouth. Ha, 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 ha. Andito na naman yung ha, ha, ha na yan, no? Ha, ha, ha. Ha, nakalagay. Ha, ha. Alam mo, Ate May, ay huwag ko na sabihin pala. Seller, huwag kang like, not done. Salamat sa the twerk. Thanks so much for that. Guys, 9:30 na. I have to eat and drink some vitamins and more. Thank you so much for joining my live. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa Seller. I love you so much, Seller. Ayan guys, magpahinga kayo na maayos. Good night everyone. And please laugh every time. Ha ha ha. It's giving happiness in your life. But not the ha 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 tonight. It's quite annoying. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my live. I love you guys.